In today's video, I'm going to teach you a beginner's guide to using Uber vouchers for riders. Whether you're completely new to Uber or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the entire process from setting up the app to completing your ride. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to download the Uber app. You can find it on your device's App Store if you're using an iPhone or Google Play if you're on an Android. It's a quick and simple download, so you should have it ready in no time. Once installed, open the app and you'll be prompted to create an account. Make sure to have your email address and phone number available as you'll need these to register. Creating an account is straightforward. Just follow the instructions on the screen. Now that you have the app set up, you're ready to request a ride. Open the app and you'll notice a prominent Where To box. Go ahead and tap that box to enter your destination. Once your destination is set, you'll see various vehicle options at the bottom of the screen, like UberX, Uber XL, or even luxury options like Uber Black, depending on your needs and budget. Choose the vehicle type that suits you best. Next, tap the Request button. The app will show your current location and ask you to confirm the pickup location. This is crucial as it ensures your driver finds you easily. With your ride requested, you can now meet your driver. Use the in-app map to track your driver's location and their estimated time of arrival. This feature allows you to see exactly where your driver is in real time, so there's no guessing how long you'll need to wait. As your driver approaches, head to the confirmed pickup spot specified in the app. Before getting into the car, it's important to verify the driver and the vehicle. Check that the license plate number matches what's shown in the app, and also confirm the car model and the driver's photo. These details help ensure your safety and a smooth pickup experience. After your trip ends, the app takes care of the payment process. You can either use a linked credit card, Uber Cash, or pay with cash, which is dependent on the region you're in. On the app, you'll see an option to rate your driver. It's a good way to provide feedback about your ride and assist other riders in the future. You can also give a tip directly through the app if you felt that the service was exceptional. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on using Uber vouchers to get around. I hope this tutorial clears up any confusion and helps you become more confident using Uber to make your travels easier and more convenient. Thanks for joining me today, and happy riding.